Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Pythagoras Theorem Worksheet. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about Pythagoras Theorem. Enjoy. And here are the next two verses. The next three verses. These are the next three verses coming up. And now let's look at the worksheet, and here it is. So we have four examples here, and in each case we're asked to find the unknown side. Now if you're not sure how to proceed, the last slide has a link. If you click on the link it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. Notice here in number 3 you have to find the exact value of h, not an approximate value, the exact one. Over here you have to find the answer to 3 decimal places. So I'll leave this slide on for a short while before I move on to the next slide, which actually contains the answers, so you can see how you went. Now we'll move on to the next slide, which has the answers. And here they are. So there's 1, 2. Here you'll see that that is an exact value. And we've simplified it. See that? That's how you simplify that exact value. And here, remember, we're asked to find the answer to 3 decimal places. So now we'll move on to the next slide. But this one here, of course, you can pause this slide for as long as you like. You can pause any slide on this video for as long as you like. You're actually in full control. So let's move on to the next slide. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by providing a rap song about Pythagoras' theorem. And now we'll see the next slide.